In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Mailchimp email campaigns. Whether you're looking to drive traffic to a website, promote a product, or encourage your readers to take action, placing a well-designed button in your email can make all the difference. So let's jump right in and see how you can do this easily and effectively within just a few minutes. First things first, head over to your Mailchimp homepage and navigate to the Campaigns tab. This area serves as your command center for creating and managing all your email campaigns. If you already have a specific campaign in mind, feel free to select and edit that one. But if you're starting fresh, simply click on Create Campaign to set up a new one. This flexibility allows you to work with what you have or create something entirely new. Once you're in the email editor, you'll notice a variety of content blocks at your disposal. Among these options, focus on the button content block. This is your tool for adding the button itself. You can easily drag and drop this block into your desired location within the email layout. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity and effectiveness, allowing you to position your button where it will make the greatest impact. Consider placing it prominently at the top for immediate visibility or strategically within the body of your content to maximize engagement. Now let's move on to one of the more creative aspects, customization. Begin by deciding on what your button will say. An action-oriented phrase can be a real motivator for your audience. Consider using phrases like "shop now" or "learn more," which clearly communicate what the action will entail when they click. It's this text that will draw your audience in and encourage them to engage further with your content. The next step involves adding the URL. This is crucial as it is the destination where your readers will be taken once they click the button, so double-check to ensure it's correct and aligns with your call to action. If linking to a particular product or page, verify that the URL is both current and functional. With those essentials taken care of, let's refine the visual elements of your button. Mailchimp offers the ability to customize the color, size, and alignment. Choose a color that's consistent with your brand aesthetics, yet also stands out within the email. The size is key. Make sure it's noticeable enough to be clicked easily on mobile devices, but not so large that it overshadows the content around it. For alignment, keep in mind the overall flow of your email. Center alignment often works well, especially for standalone call-to-action buttons. Once you've fine-tuned everything, conclude by hitting Save and Close. This final step ensures all your hard work is securely saved, readying your email campaign for action. And there you have it. You've successfully added an interactive button to your Mailchimp email campaign in just a few easy steps. This small addition can dramatically enhance engagement and conversion rates, making your emails not only more effective, but also more engaging for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.